The magic of human body is it turns imbalance into balance. The miracle of human body is it turns disease into health. All that you have to do is give yourself two simple things. Ignoring these two things cost you heavily. Hormonal imbalance could cause hundreds of diseases. Hormonal imbalance could cause permanent infertility. Therefore, give yourself just two simple things. 1. Give your body 30 to 40% of fresh organic vegetables and fruits every day. 2. Give your mind 20-minute meditation every day. That's all it required to restore your hormonal balance. Critics may say it is too simplistic, but do these two things every day. You can see the results for yourself. Protect your fertility. It is your responsibility. Start doing these two simple things right from today. Trust your body and mind. Wait for miracle to happen. If you want to practice fertility meditation technique, download your free report, The 5 Words That Can Protect Your Fertility. Check the link given in the description to download your free report. Our mission is to fight the infertility from the body, mind, and energy levels, and therefore give your valuable comments whether our content is helping you or not. Your comments are precious for us to come up with new ideas so that we can support you even better. Don't forget to download your free report.